Well, hi, and welcome to another one of Wally's Weekend Drives. We're up here at Midway Chevrolet today, located just off I-17 and Bell Road, checking out the 2023 Chevy Blazer. Lamar Tyler right here is one of the sales managers up here at Midway Chevrolet that knows everything there is to know about this Blazer. So we're going to pick your brain here a little bit.
Yes, sir.
Lamar, what's your favorite feature you think on this?
My favorite feature is probably the rear camera there. I love the bigger wheels and tires, give you a sporty look. I love the lines on the vehicle, and I love the RS package, which is your sport package.
Excellent, me too. Now, one thing for sure, let's go ahead and take a look here at the front. You talk about being the RS of the sport package right here. You can clearly see that this blacked out grille in the front definitely has some aggressive lines to it. Great LED lighting up front that's going to light the way at night, or if you're off-road, it works pretty good for that too. Maddie, if you make your way around here to the side, we're going to see 21-inch alloy wheels right here. And what that actually does, besides filling the fender very nicely here, gives you a little bit more ground clearance when you go off-road, whether it be mild off-roading, inclement weather. If you're running down a dirt road, like right now it's snowing up north, you might be seeing a little bit of snow, chunks of ice, whatever. It's going to step over the top of them. When you look inside here, Lamar, this interior is pretty cool for sure. What's your favorite feature inside?
Like you mentioned, I love the mirror on the inside. I love the bigger display they gave you in the new 2023 model, along with your blind spot monitor there on the mirrors as well.
That's right. A touch-tone screen here in the center that makes everything very easy to get to. I like the fact that there's a wireless phone charger in there too. So whether it's the technology of the rear view camera / mirror or the wireless charger, even the people in the back seat are definitely going to be taken care of, by everybody at Chevrolet, because if you get back there, Maddie, and look, what you're going to see is you're going to see a USB, a USB-C, and a 115-volt outlet. So whether you need to plug in your devices or maybe a CD player or something, the kids are taken care of going down the road. Now, the only thing about that rear view camera, you can't see the kids in the back seat through the mirror anymore, which might be good for the kids too, because they can get away with stuff going down the road. Well, that's going to wrap up for the back here, but let's go ahead to the way back and take a look at this, because one of the cool features right to start with, right here, hands-free, opening the rear hatch. Imagine you got groceries, you got kids, you got your dogs, you got whatever. Just go ahead and kick underneath there, and that works. Now, Lamar, how often do people request that specifically?
All the time. 'Cause a lot of times, like you say, when you go grocery shopping, their hands are too full and they can't open the tailgate on their own. So that feature there, I got tongue-tied. That feature there helps out a lot, and like I said, the customers request it all the time.
Yes. Okay. Now, another thing that I realized on this, on the inside of the door, you can actually adjust how this comes to 3/4 or full up. So if you have a low garage door or something, you don't want to dent your rear deck on there, you go ahead and do that. Also, if you look in here, a real spare tire, which we like for sure. And that right there, to me, is one of the best features that you're going to find, and Chevy does it on everything. So let's go ahead and close this up here, because MSRP is $51,515. Now, Lamar, one thing, I mean, first of all, you're the sales manager, so you know you can cut the people to slack, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
yes, sir.
Yeah. So should they come and see you this weekend?
Of course, yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Now I looked out on the parking lot. You guys, inventory is back, right?
Yes.
Yeah, okay, so I see a whole bunch of trucks out there. What do you got going on for trucks?
We have 175 new trucks here in stock.
There you go, 175 new trucks up here at Midway Chevrolet. Come on up this weekend, ask for Lamar. He's going to hook you up with a Wally deal.